Hello, it's me, Sweetie, and thank you for being here for another video. So as many of you will know from watching any of my recent previous videos, I have just moved. I went from living in an apartment to a beautiful home that my husband and I now own ourselves. And with a new house came the opportunity to make a new beauty room. So I've been filming a bunch of footage for this beauty room makeover. I've been painting, I've been building, I've been decorating, and I finished up recording all of that footage last night actually. So after I got done shooting, I sat down to my desk and I wanted to go ahead and start editing, and I realized something horrifying. I didn't record any kind of intro for that video. I didn't show you a complete before of the room and explain what I was gonna do or anything like that. I think I was just so excited to get working, I just jumped right into it. So today in this video, in this new intro that I've had to record, we will be decorating and building my new beauty room. Now, in my old beauty room at my apartment, it was my beauty space with my Lolita closet, my vanity, and my filming studio as well. As you can imagine, that was a lot of stuff to do all in one room, and now that we have this house, I was able to split those two things. So this room here that we are in right now is my filming studio, and the room just down the hall is my new beauty room, office, Lolita dressing room, pink paradise, whatever you want to call it. So come along with me as I build my new beauty room. Let's go!
Well, here she is. I taped everything off last night. There's an ollie in the window. Closet floor to ceiling. She's ready to be painted. I got my tools there. Let's get to work. Alright, here it is, all painted, looking pretty good. The lines are nice and clean. I think we did a pretty good job. And now the next step is going to be to hang the curtains. Yay! The curtains are both up. I was gonna film myself putting this one up as well, but the crazy backlight from the window said no. So these are just from IKEA. They're the same drapes I had in my previous room, so it's just a white lace with like a soft pink curtain layered together. And I think it looks really nice. I'm very happy with it. So the next thing I want to take care of is this. The previous owners of the house left this weird basket hanging pendant light. I don't know, but I hate it. So I got something a little special to replace it. And that special thing is this chandelier right here. It has been a dream of mine for a long time. Oh God, my nails. Yeah, you can tell I've definitely been moving. I lost this one. Anyway, it's always been a dream of mine to have a chandelier, but all the rooms I've ever had have had a ceiling fan up here. But now that there's just a pendant hanging light fixture, I can have a chandelier. Yay! Yay, it's done! It looks beautiful! So I just woke up and I came in the beauty room to start getting to work. And look at this! It's snow! Quite a bit of snow, actually. It's so beautiful! I cannot wait to go outside. Yes, Cicero, can you believe it? Snow! I can't wait to go outside and play in it. So my Lolita closet is almost done being reassembled, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like before all of the crap gets put on it. This is just a closet system from IKEA. I think it's called the Allgot system, and it's like fully customizable. It's very easy to use. You get like these little hanging supports at the top, those two bars, and then these tracks just hook right in and you screw them into the wall, and you can pretty much add whatever like accessories you need. Like I have 2 shoe racks here. I actually have 3 of these bins. The other 2 are in the bottom of the boxes with my Lolita dresses, so I have to wait to add those later. But these have little tracks and you can just slide them out. It's super, super easy to install. My husband did very kindly help me install these this time, but I did this myself the first time I did the install, so I highly recommend it if you're looking for an open Lolita closet. Now it's time to add all the goodies. Well, now that the power is finally back on, I can show you the closet is completed, and there's a Cicero! Right now there are several inches of snow outside and the power keeps going out. They're doing rolling blackouts. So we put the closet together and put all the clothes and accessories on it pretty much in the dark the whole time. But I think it turned out really well. Hey guys, it's been quite a week. I think the last footage I shot was of that beautiful snow that we had that turned into an outright winter storm. We didn't have power for a few days, our water was in and out, but I think the chaos is finally over and I can get back to working. I was able to put together my figure case and I got a mirror for my office, so I'm just going to give those 2 a quick cleaning and then I can move on to building my desk that just came in the mail. Yay, nice clean mirror. I love it. It's got this pretty gold metallic edge, and it is an easel mirror, so it has a little kickstand in the back, which I love. So if you follow me over on my Instagram, which I will link down below in the description box, this is where you will find me posing for a lot of future Lolita cord photos. And you can see my computer stuff on the floor in the back there. I will hopefully have my desk set up this evening so I can get it off the floor and into its proper place. Here she is. The desk is up. I've got my desktop plugged in. I did it all by myself. I'm very proud. Here's the inside, very nice. Wires all plugged in and hooked up by me. My husband's gonna be so proud. Though I don't know why the keyboard isn't working. I'll have to ask him about that. But yes, here is the desk. I got this little guy from Wayfair. I have a couple drawers here, which is amazing because I didn't have any storage at our apartment. I've just got some notepads here, which I use to take notes for my scripts for videos. And then down here, some very important documents. You know, my Animal Crossing and Pushing coloring books down here. Top secret, very important. Gotta keep those safe in here. I should probably put a lock on this actually. So you'll probably notice that while I do have the desk and the CPU, screen, keyboard, very important things, what I don't have is a chair. I need a chair right about in this area. So hopefully that will be arriving in the mail soon. Now the next step is going to be for this little corner right here. I think I'm going to put my jewelry cabinet there. However, it is currently brown, which will not really go with this whole scheme. So I think I'm going to have to spray paint it white. As you can see, I have a lot of white accents in here, except the outside of the door is cream, and this door and the inside of this door is white. It was like that when we got here. I don't know, it's interesting. Anyway, jewelry case, gonna go there. But first I need to spray paint it white. Here she is. Spray painting was mostly successful. You'll notice some little moisture damage spots I had happen. Such are the joys of spray painting in Texas. Apparently, I had no idea. Okay, it looks like I need to seal that a little better. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to go back and touch these little spots up with probably just a tiny little paintbrush and some acrylic paint. But other than that, you know, from a distance, it looks completely fine. Hi, Ollie. What do you think? As long as it gets Oliver's approval, that's really all I'm concerned about. But yeah, I really like how it looks in here. Obviously, plenty of little white accents it'll go perfectly with. And now I just need to put my jewelry back inside of it, and it is fully operational. Hello! I've just been spending today doing some editing, organizing for some new videos coming out, and I thought I would put the rest of my evening to good use and do a little fixing up around my office. It's not quite done yet, but we are very close. Oh, Ollie, what? What is it, young man? Would you like to help? Okay, let's get to work. I've got my trusty ladder here, and I just put up my plushy net hammock thing, and it looks pretty far up there right now, but once all of my plushies are up in there, it will kind of sag or sink to cradle them, so they should all fit up there just fine. Or I guess we'll find out. And the boys are back in town. Definitely a lot more full than it was in my previous room, but that's okay. I think they look great up there. The hammock is definitely holding a lot of weight, so let's hope it holds. Hey guys, another day, another project for the beauty room. I think the last thing I did was hang my stuffed animal hammock, which is held even with as many stuffed animals as there are. It's still going strong, so that's good. So today I'm going to be hanging up some of my art prints and other decorations on the walls. Here's what we're going to be hanging today. I've got a few larger prints here. I've got this super cute little display ring that Mayfield made for me. And then I also have some of these smaller, like, postcard sized prints. Now, I got these, by the way, if you have a bunch of like postcards that you want to frame, I got these cute little frames from Walmart. They're like just barely $1 each. They are originally silver, so I just applied some white spray paint to them overnight, and it took really well, and so now I have a bunch of cute little frames for all my postcards. I've got my little setup over here. I did go ahead and already measure out like where I want them all to go. I'm using some little command strips for the smaller postcards just so I can avoid putting as many holes in my wall. So let's get to hanging. Now that the prints are hung, there is only one last thing, the final thing to take care of to get my beauty room up and running. Now, if you've watched my previous beauty room tour, which I will link above for you guys, you will know that I have a kind of fluffy, plushy beaded curtain that I made that hangs on the door. So now I'm going to hang that up, and that will be the final finishing touch on my new beauty room. Curtain is up. I am so happy to see it hanging again, and I'm sure my cats will be happy to start playing with it again too. Guys, I really can't believe that this is a room that I get to be in every single day to edit my videos, get dressed in Lolita, whatever I want. I get to be in this beautiful space, and I am so excited. There are a few more things I would like to get, like a rug to go here in the middle, a chair to sit at my desk with instead of my vanity stool. I think I want to get some horizontal shelves here so I can display all of my Gothic and Lolita Bibles. And I have another figure coming soon, which I will do an unboxing on, which is going to go up here. She's going to take up quite a bit of space, so I've got to leave that open. But for now, this is the room, and I am so happy. I love it, and I really hope you guys love it too. Well, I definitely worked up quite a sweat hanging all of those prints and hanging the curtain, so I think I'm gonna call it a day, you guys. That's gonna be it for this video. I really thank you for spending some time with me on my channel today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below or the thumbs up. It really does help me out, and I appreciate it so much. I also hope you enjoy the space I've created here. Please let me know what you think down below in the comments, or if you have any interior design suggestions, I would love to hear them. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, guys. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!